Hello friends, how are you all doing? This is Bonnie. Welcome to my channel Bonnie's One Step Ahead. Today I'm going to show you some very easy exercises, home exercises for abs, because in this lockdown period we are having tasty delicious foods in home. We are trying out so many dishes, and as a result what is happening? We are getting a big tummy. And tummy fats, they are so stubborn. So today I'm going to show you some very easy exercises which you can do at home without any equipment. So get ready with your mat and water bottle and come on, do them with me. So now at first we will begin with some warm-ups. A bit of jogging. Initial do jogging, then high knees. Now some warm-ups. Just to make your body warm, we need to do this all. Neck exercise is also very important. It just gives flexibility so that we can perform well. We can do our exercise well. So you can do these warm-up sets for about 5 minutes. Now let's start. We'll begin with sit-ups. This is a full sit-up. Do this 10 times. Initially 10 times, and then you can continue it up to 20 times, but initially 10 times. And it's not necessary that you can always get up and you'll be able to touch your knees. Initially you won't be able to, if you have a heavy tummy or heavy belly fat, you won't be able to do it at the first time. You won't be able to do it, but initially just try it. Gradually you'll be able to do it. Now coming to the second exercise. By doing this, we'll get a stretch in this part as well as this part. So it's a dual exercise. So you'll be getting the benefit of two exercises by doing only one. Now coming to the third one. We'll be riding bicycles into the air. You are amused, thinking how it can be done? It's very easy. For this, you need to just get up like this, and as if you are riding a bicycle into the air. And you need to do this slowly. You need to complete your cycles. See, I'm making big cycles with my legs. So 5 times clockwise, and now 5 times in the other direction. Just see. So you'll be getting pressure in this part, in your tummy, in your abs. This is the lower abs as well as middle abs. In both the places you'll get the stretch. So start doing with me. Really fun. I'm really enjoying doing this in nature. So this lockdown has taught us many things, and we are really getting the opportunity to spend time for ourselves. And otherwise, in our busy hectic schedule, I usually do this in my home, but since this is in lockdown, and you can see this is the front part of our apartment, so here we go with the next one. Now we'll be doing crunches. Lift your leg and with the opposite elbow you need to touch. So here we go. Just look at this. Do this 10 times. So you will feel stretch in your abs, your thighs, as well as this part, arms. So all things getting stretched together. So how are you enjoying? I give you a guarantee that if you do this set of exercises which I'm showing and I'll be showing you further, if you do this, you will surely get the effect. As in lockdown, we are all having tasty food, and what is happening? We are getting a big tummy, a big layer of fat is getting deposited. So by doing this simple, easy exercises, and that too without any equipments, it's really effective. So come, let's do the next one. Just lift your legs as much as you can. This is also a multiple exercise. When you are lifting your leg up, this part getting stretched, as well as lower abs and middle abs. This exercise, we will be touching right hand with left leg, and again left hand with right leg. So here we start. Do this 10 times. 10 times initially, and then gradually increase it. Because for beginners, initially it will be painful, it will be exhausting. So do not stress your body. Do it only for 10 times. And if you can't do for 10 times, you can do it for 5 times. Initially 5 times, and then gradually increase it. So now coming to next one. Crisscross our legs in the air. Now coming to the next one. Here we have to lift our legs up as much as you can. Hold it for some time, maybe 10 seconds, or you can count 10 and then lift it down. So we begin. And if you can lift your upper body also in this posture. And otherwise, you can keep it in this way. Simple. Now coming to the next one, we have to make circles in the air with our legs. Make small circles. Doing plank, which is very important for abs. This is a full plank, and this is a full body exercise. As you can see, your backbone, your tummy, your hand, your back, as well as thighs all get stretched up. Try to hold for 30 seconds in this way. For beginners and those who can't do the full plank, you can do it in this way. Just fold your knees, you can see, count for 30 seconds or more. Final one. In this exercise, you will be getting a full stretch in your backbone, hands, your abs, thighs, as well as neck. So at the same time, doing only one exercise, you are getting stretch in so many parts of your body. The more stretch your body gets, the more effective it is for weight loss as well as for muscles or skin. So let's do it once more. So now the exercises for abs is over, it's done. And now some stretches, which is very, very important. Always remember that we should start any workout with warm up and end with some stretches. So let's do the stretches. Please try to do this set of exercises initially for beginners 5 times, and then you will see you can do them more efficiently and you will not get tired. Initially you will get tired, maybe you'll have some body pain also if you try to do these exercises, and it's best if you can do it in the nature. You can do these exercises in the backyard, or maybe in the front part of your house, or maybe on the roof. The main idea behind doing it outside is the fresh air. If you can do exercises sitting in fresh air, it is much more helpful. You'll be getting the fresh oxygen and it is so much beneficial, and you will really get the feeling of this freshness. So do these exercises and please write to me in the comments that how are you feeling about it. And these exercises doesn't involve any equipments, any weights, nothing is required. They are all freehand. It will take a bit of time to get the effects, but if you start doing it regularly, and one thing you remember, that you need to do this in empty stomach. Either you can do it in the morning after getting up, you have some lemon water or maybe some chia seeds or something, and then do these exercises. And if you don't get time, if you don't have time to do it in the morning, you can do it in the evening time. Before you do it, you have some tea or something. Your stomach needs to be empty. So do these exercises, and apart from this, if you want to lessen your tummy fat, please remember diet is very important. So we'll discuss about diets in my next video, and remember that we need to avoid sweets. And I'm not saying that you can't have sweets, just lessen the amount, and you need to have more fruits and vegetables, more protein. And okay, do these exercises, stay home, stay safe, be happy, do these exercises, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel by pressing the red button and give a like to my video. So stay tuned. Bye.